Once again, good evening.
Kilala mo.
Kilala pa, I am Lani Misalucha.
When you say I need...
By the way, featuring this time,
Ba't mo nagsasalita? Nasalita kilala mo. When I said I needed you, you said you would always stay. It wasn't me who changed, but you.
now you're gone away.
Don't you see that you're gone? I'm left here on my own. That I have to follow you, begging to come and hold you home. You don't say you love me, just be close at hand. You don't say to stay forever. I will understand. Believe me, I can't help but to love you. But you never turn you down. Let alone be just a memory. Life is so dead and so unreal. Like all that was left is loneliness. Nothing left to feel. Don't have to say you love me, just be close at hand. Don't have to stay forever, I will understand. Believe me, believe me. Yes, don't have to stay forever. Understand? Believe me. Believe me. Ay, ano yun? Aray ko.
Thank you! Alam nila yung kanta! Woo! Alam niyo yung kanta, ha? Alam niyo bang 1958 pa yung kantang yon? You know, thank you. Standing here and seeing all of you tonight is really, it overwhelms my feeling. And thank you for your support. Uy, speaking of support, here are two women who have stood by me through all these years. And I'm very happy to have them here in this segment. As I go closer to home, please, ladies and gentlemen, give them a warm welcome. Medyo nervyosa po, nervyosa po itong dalawang to. May and Carlin, my sisters! Woo! Boom!
Ngayon lang to, nagpapanggap lang.
Carlin and May. Ayan po ang mga... Dalawa lang po silang kapatid kong babae. Yung the other two boys na po. Ate, hello.
Good. Hello. Love you too! Oh, parang akin ha. Ay, nako. Tingnan mo naman ha. Tingnan mo naman. Nakaka-nervyos to.
Oo naman, of course.
Tingnan mo naman yung mga tao.
Bakit?
Would you, I don't know.
Ano?
Akalain mo bang naman sa
ano?
mga gilid-gilid dyan, may mga nakatayo
lupa, ate. SRO na to.
Yes!
Naman.
Who would believe na mapupuno mo ang Araneta Coliseum, kapatid?
Aba!
Ha? Ha?
Who would believe?
Pero sandali lang! Talaga, ako
Ano ba
ito,
naman
ha?
yan?
Sandali, huwag ka magsalita. Ako muna.
Yan.
Ako
Ganyan ho
nagdaramdam-
ang natural ng mga kapatid ko.
Hindi naman, kapinuhan. Good evening nga pala ho sa inyo lahat.
Sabay nagbaganda.
Pero ito talaga medyo masama ang loob ko dahil ako may boses naman. Ha? Si Carly naman kagandahang babae. Diba? Pero ang hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit ito pinapansin nyo.
Ano ba yun?
Ha? Hindi ko maintindihan ang mga taste nyo.
Ay, patay.
Yan ang chismis.
Yan, talaga.
Chismis. Pero hindi, sa totoo lang ho, we really love our sisters so much and
Uy, dahil ginesto lang kayo eh.
libre ho kami. And we feel so happy that, na nakarating po siya sa puntong ito. And what you do not know is that, marami hong mapagdaanan si Lani bago ho makarating sa puntong ito. And we are so happy for her. Really, we are so happy for her.
Sana nang mabalas din natin. Ganda na tayo. Anyway, bayad na yata kayo. Tara. Handa na ba tayo? Handa na ba kayo?
Handa na.
Eh kayo po, handa na ba? Eto na po ang Bayot Angels.